everyone, welcome to another workout routine. Today we'll be doing a full body workout. I already did my cardios and my stretches and I jumped straight into activating my glutes and quads with this side squats. So I just did a few reps with a slam ball and I was moving side to side. As you can see, this targets your quads, your glutes, and your calves as well. It was very intense for me, and I did as many reps as possible so I can feel the tension in my quads and glutes. So next up, to hamp this intense workout, I moved to the battle ropes. This is supposed to target your full body as it works as a type of cardio as well. I did 30 seconds between each reps, and what you want to do is take each ropes on each hand and just slam it to the floor. You can also slam them one by one to the floor, and it's very intense. It got me sweating a lot. It engages your whole body and it will really get your heart racing, trust me. Do you see how tired that made me? Like, I had to go get my bottle and drink some water. Like, it was intense. I really liked it because it got me sweating as well. It targets your quads as well as your glutes and your calves as well. It targets your upper body and the lower body at the same time, and it also works as cardio. So it's a great exercise to add to your routine the next time you go to the gym. So this next workout is supposed to target your quads and your glutes. I'm using two heavy dumbbells and I wanted to elevate my legs, but the two plates were not working well together, so I had to choose one, and the one I'm using now, it's high enough. It's a 7.5 kg, so it's high enough. So this is called an elevated reverse lunges. It really targets your quads. Like, it really puts tension on there. So yeah, I recommend it for your next full body workout. I had to put on my pump cover because you guys see how sweaty I am. Like, I sweat too much, okay, when I'm at the gym. Like, I be looking like I was doing too much, okay. So I'm glad I came with my pump cover. So that's what I put on now, and I was just doing each legs for the unilateral movements. It's very important to add that as well on your workout days. Next up, I moved to my leg presses, obviously for our legs and knees. I did calf raises as well, and I'm using 25 plus 15 kgs on each side. That's about 35 on each side. It's like 70 kgs. So what you don't want to do is lock your knees. Like, that is so scary when you lock your knees. You don't want to lock your knees because then you're gonna there's a potential of hurting yourself and dropping the whole bar on yourself. So you don't want to lock your knees. If you pay attention, you can see like I'm not locking my knees for this exercise. So please keep that in mind. Okay, so for this workout to be focused on your glutes, you don't want to put your legs straight. I hope you can see how I'm illustrating it in this clip where my legs are like a few degrees apart, a few degrees wide. I hope that makes sense. So you don't want to put them like straight to on the bar. You want to like open them up a little bit. I hope that made sense. So for more glute focused movement as well on the leg press, please see how I'm illustrating it on here. I'm sitting like sideways so that it can really target my glutes. Also, you don't have to use weights for this to target your glutes. You just need to do a lot of reps for you to feel the tension and the burn in your glutes. So next we're going to focus on our upper body. Here I picked up a easy bar and I'm just doing some bicep curls to target my biceps as well as my shoulders. So next we're switching it back to a lower body movement. These are kickbacks that are great for that top shelf body, as we all know. And yeah, that's the next move that we did, and I did a few reps on each side of my legs. So the last movement we're doing is one of my favorite workouts. It's hip thrust and kickback as well. I love kickbacks. So obviously I'm lifting very heavy today. I'm doing 25 kgs on each, and I really love this workout because you instantly see the results. Almost you instantly feel it, you instantly see the results as you're doing it, even before you leave the gym. Like the pump is crazy from hip thrust. So that's what I'm doing now. This, you see how I lifted my heels a little bit? That's just to put more focus on my glutes for that burn. So this is by far the best exercise you can do, which is stretching. You want to make sure you stretch and cool down your muscles before you leave the gym. It's going to prevent injuries afterwards. It's going to prevent muscle cramps and muscle strains. So I highly encourage that you don't skip this part. Make sure you're stretching before and after each and every workout. It's very important. With your love, I'm losing myself, losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, I'm losing myself. So that's it from me, you guys, for this full body workout. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying any of these movements. Please do not forget to subscribe and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, as that lets YouTube know that the viewers are loving it, so that it can push the video out to more viewers, and that really helps the channel. I thank you so much for watching. Do let me know when your next workout routine will be and what movements you'll be doing from one of these that you've seen in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm losing myself.